is Fiber Jen, and my name is Jen. I am excited to share with you all of the things that I have to share. I regularly have people say, hey, how do you do this or how do you do that? And not having a really good platform or a way to do it outside of a classroom situation or a class, which are sometimes hard for people to access, whether it's because of a scheduling or a pricing issue or whatever. So please welcome and enjoy. If you find value here, there are ways that you can contribute and ways that you can financially help out at the end of each tutorial. Thank you, and I hope you have a good time here.